Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over a mixture of Jumbo Josh from the Garten of Banban and Sonic the Hedgehog. Let's go through it for beginners, okay? Step by step, short video, so follow with me, alright? Gonna go right here, and I'm going to draw a curve over here for Jumbo Josh's head. Side of his head over here. I'm going to go across the top. It's just going to... very simple, over here. And we're going to kind of curve around the other side as well. Right on. Cool, cool, cool. Now, I'm going to go over here for his arm on the left side, and it's going to curve out, down. All right, so curve out, down. Over here on this side now, curve out, down. All right. So far, so good. That's the top of the arms we have so far, okay? Gonna go on this side now, right here for the lower part of the arm. Out, down. Out, down. Curve underneath. Right there. Curve underneath. Now we're gonna go here to the hand right there. So it's gonna have like the glove, that's a cuff of the glove, right? Like Sonic. And right here I'm gonna draw a curve underneath. Don't forget, by the way, hit the like button if you like these mixture drawing videos. I go over one every week on Friday, but also I go over lessons every single day. So hit the like button, click the bell notification, and definitely hit the like if you enjoy these mixture videos. Go over here for the thumb area. Curve along here for the hand. So he's got a glove like Sonic, but I'm giving him the structure of the hand like Jumbo Josh. Just kind of remember that. Line over here for Jumbo Josh's body right here. And line down here for the other side of his body. Alright. Gonna go down here for the legs. Line underneath. And line underneath. Line right here. Cool, cool. Gonna draw a line across now for the face. We're gonna go for the face now. So I draw line across. That big old smile that Jumbo Josh has a lot of. Curve right here along this side. I'm gonna go on this side over here and curve along this side. Line over here. Curve, curve, curve. Curve, 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 curve. Curve, 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 curve. Curve, curve, curve. For the teeth, right, in Josh's mouth. And we are gonna, or like, you know, we're gonna fill in the middle portion of this. And the reason you want to do this is because you want to make the inner parts of his mouth look deeper, and kind of filling that in with dark can do that. It can do one or the other. When you kind of put something high contrast, it can either push something forward or pull something back. Over here. And right on right there. Cool, cool, cool. And I'm going to go over here and draw the circle for one eye. Go over here to the other side over here and draw a circle on the other side. Alright. So far, so good. We're going to draw a circle on the inside here for the pupil and iris. Circle right there. Alright, now let's put in some more Sonic features, okay? So we're going to over here and draw the ears. So right here, triangle above one ear, above the side of his head, and triangle over here on the other side. Up, down, inner ear. So far he looks like a cat. So To prevent that from happening, we are going to go in and put the most famous thing of Sonic. We're going to go a line across this direction. Out over here, put a spike in. Line over here, in. Pull in here. Then pulling out. Right there. And then lastly, we're going to throw a line right here for the tail that he has. Well, it's not lastly. We're going to do one more thing. Next thing is we're going to draw the kind of, you know, the stomach area has a different look to it. So right here. I'm going to draw that a little bit thinner. And that's going to be the kind of the patch part that he has on his stomach for the color difference. And so now, lastly, I'm going to go over here and I'm going to draw a thicker line only on the outside. Don't forget, by the way, if you like learning how to draw in general, I have a free ebook on how to draw something cute, right? It's, you know, when you think of something like how do you draw something cute, it's not just a big head and a small, like big head, big body, or big head, whatever. It's not just that, it's about proportion. So if you make every feature big or every feature small, you're trying to put it on paper. What it is it's all about proportion. So when I say proportion, I mean, for something cute would be like a bigger head, but maybe small, like big eyes, and like a small nose, and like a small mouth, right? Sometimes a big mouth, depending on what's going on. I talk about that all in an ebook that I have in the description. It's completely free. It used to be something I charged for, but now is 100% free. So go take a look at that if you're interested. I go over it and it's like 6 pages. It's nothing even really I have to read. There's like no reading. It's just like charts on, it's like a visual chart of what to like enlarge, you know, as far as stuff like that. It's very, very simple. And the cool part is once you look at it, it's kind of something you look at to learn. You'll kind of know it forever. That's what's kind of cool about it. And there's very minimal practice. A lot of it is like what to do and not so much how to do it, right? So it's more like, okay, the head is bigger, you know, the nose, you know, the nose can be real tiny in proportion, and what proportion is that? And so that it's, a lot of that stuff's just like learning, you know, then you can just apply it. So definitely check that ebook out if you have time. It's in the description. There's no catch or anything. But yeah, check that out in the description when you have time. I want to thank you very much for watching. You are amazing, and I want you to always sketch. That's something that I think people need to get through, you know, to do. Sketch every day a little bit. It's easy, it's fun to do it. Even if it's just moving your hand around, you're going to get dexterity. Thank you so much. I see you later, okay? Art addicts. See you later, guys. Art addicts. It's hard to say that. See you later.